This is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Monday, August 9, 2021. This morning we saw the markets open fairly flat and then saw a quick sell-off here in the first 10 minutes or so of trading. Since then, it has been fairly quiet as we just kind of consolidate and drift higher. However, we are still trading below Friday's closing price, and I've got that marked off here in this dash cyan line. You can see the S&P dropped early, and it's just kind of drifting higher back towards it, but we haven't quite made it back up to the prior close, and that's the case in 3 of the 4 instruments. The Nasdaq's the only one that is trading above Friday's closing price. But what we're going to be looking at this afternoon is what has happened historically when you close at a 52-week high, and then the next session, you're trading below that 52-week high close as you approach the end of the day. So let me go ahead and get it set up here. I'm going to get all 4 instruments. We're going to use a time-based entry that gets long at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. The exit's set to 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, for this pattern, we're going to use 2 pieces of information. The first one is it needs to be trading below the prior session close at 3 p.m. I've got this set to 3 p.m. here. So all I have to do is go to intraday close versus daily levels and say that the close is not above the prior day close, or I can scroll down and just hit equals to the close is below the prior day close. Either one of those options would work. A minus there or an equals here will set it up the same. Next, I'm going to go into the price patterns. I'm going to say that the prior session was a 52-week high close. I can find that here in the new highs category. If I scroll down just a little bit, day after a 52-week high close, hit equals next to that. And then I can also add the indicators here like I normally do of above a 10, above 200. Not really needed in this instance, but I'm going to go ahead and put it there anyway. And now I'm going to click View Results. And here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 3 p.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time when you are trading below the prior session close at 3 p.m. and the prior session close was a 52-week high closing price. So historically, we've got a bunch of samples to look at here. 280 in the S&P, 246 in the Nasdaq, 228 in the Dow, and 171 in the Russell. And win rates on these are all slanted towards the upside. So if you look at the S&P, it's coming in at 63%, the Nasdaq 59%, the Dow 64%, and the Russell 55%. And these win rates are telling you what percentage of these have closed above that 3 p.m. price, since that's the time of the entry here. If we look at the average moves for these, average win versus average loss, pretty similar in size for the S&P. The average loss a little bit bigger there than the average win for the Nasdaq. For the Dow, pretty similar in size, and for the Russell, pretty similar in size as well. So average win and average loss, not skewed too much on either direction for these, but all of the win rates are at least mildly favoring the long side, historically speaking. So hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck the rest of the day, and we will see you tomorrow.